Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you what time and which date Google AdSense revenue gets updated and when it releases payments. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, we'll directly go to the Google AdSense website. So you can see Google AdSense account of my own. So here you can see your AdSense revenues and balances. So you can see here a balance. So when it gets updated, the balance of your Google AdSense gets updated on the 10th of every month or 11th of the respective months. It may be different for different countries. So based on the India, the balance gets updated, that is the AdSense revenue balance gets updated in your Google AdSense account on the 11th of every month, that is the 11th by the evening. It gets updated in your Google AdSense account. And regarding the balance, that is the payments, so let me go and click on the view payments. So regarding the payments, the Google AdSense payments are released on the 21st of every month. As you can see here, 21st of every month they release the Google AdSense revenue directly to your bank account, which is linked with your Google AdSense account. And by the week, that is within the 4 or 5 days or a week, you can receive that money directly in your bank account. So these are the informations I wanna give you, which is totally unknown by most of the new YouTubers or those who are not familiar with the Google AdSense accounts. Then I'm sure it will clear your doubts and clear your confusions that which date you are going to get your payments or which date your Google AdSense balance gets updated. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.